Good morning from Southern California. You see the high winds. Oh my God, and look at the smoke. There's a fire not far from me in Santa Monica, California. The sky is just blackness. Nothing but blackness in the sky. All that is smoke coming from the fire, which is close by. As I walk down here, you can see, look at all that blackness. All that smoke. I tell you, it's prayer time. It's prayer time. All this smoke, and the world is still going on. People still going to work, as they should. We have to keep living and keep praying. But look at this. Look at this. Not far from me. Those are not clouds. That is smoke. And the firemen are working hard to contain it. And there's high winds. You can see the trees. See how the trees are blowing. Nothing but blackness. As the song say, and the sky was shadowed with darkness. It's very dark today. It's about 8:30 in the morning. But it's dark and gloomy because of the smoke. It's just everywhere. I went down to work out, but I decided to come back because your lungs are compromised as it is with all this smoke. So as I said, it's prayer time, y'all. It's prayer time. 2025. No messing around. We should be praying. Winds are high. Excuse me. Last night on my patio, things were blowing around. I had to go and sit all of my plants on the floor for fear of them blowing in and breaking the patio door.